If you love Asian baked goods like me, get yourself the modern Asian baking at home. There's even ube butter mochi in here. There's a ton of Asian, yummy, easy recipes to try. We're going to be making milk bread. Doubles inside. They smell heavenly.
Where do you get this from?
I made it.
That's good.
Yeah.